So, hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the NPTEL programming in Java, assignment 1. Programming assignments. We will discuss what are the solutions for the programming assignment 1. So, first of all, log in into your Swayam portal, NPTEL Swayam. Then go to the Swayam NPTEL courses. So here click on sign in. Then log in with your Google account. Click on login. So log in with your Google account, that Gmail ID. So first of all, check it your courses here, right side corner, my courses. In this video we will discuss about the one of the important subject, that is programming in Java. So here the go to courses. Here the week 1, the last week already discussed, the programming page is already submitted. So these are that. Now remaining there is a 5 programming assignments are there. So this is very important. This one is also considered as a final assessment. So click here Java. So the first program is write a Java program to print the area of the area and perimeter of the rectangle. So this all code is already given here. So that is nothing but the class name can be taken as week 1 programming assignment 1 public static void main. There is a 2 variables are declared. One is width, another one is height. You can, the scanner class is you read the data from the keyboard. So if you use the scanner class, you must and should have to declare the package is called as a util package. The scanner class is available in util package. So here we can read the width at the right, width and double is a double data type. That's why you can take as a object name dot next int is a predefined method. The next double is a predefined method that is available in scanner class. Here also next double is available in the scanner class. You can take the data from the keyboard, read the data at dynamic by using the scanner class. Now this is the logic part is given, the output part is already given by the NPTEL team. So you can write the logic here. Now you already know the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle and area of the rectangle. So that is nothing but the 2 into width plus height. That is the formula. According to the formula, you can take the variable is called data type is double. Why? Because width is a double data type and also the height is also double data type. So double. So you can take the perimeter is in a. So you can try to remember that these variables are matched with here. That is the perimeter can be taken as a variable name here. So this is the perimeter. The perimeter equal to 2 into width plus height. According to the formula, you can substitute this formula. Now what is the formula for the area of the rectangle? You already know. That is the area equal to width into height. The destination also double. So area is equal to, so width into height. So this is the two logics are right here. The perimeter of the rectangle formula is a perimeter equal to 2 into width plus height. So the same here, the width and height is a double data type. That's why perimeter can also double data type. and the area of the rectangle formula is width into height. So you can convert the double data type. So why? Because input is width and height is a double data type. So once we can write the logic, compile and run. Click on compile and run. Check it once. Here the all test cases are passed one by one. So then one by one passed, then we can click on submit. So your answer successfully submitted. Okay, so that is the assignment, that is week 1 programming assignment 1. So now go to the second program, week 1 programming assignment 2. Write a Java program and compute the sum of the integer digits. So already know the logic. You need the help of here we can already given the scanner class for the input purpose, and we can take as n is a input. Now this, try to remember the point, this function, and this can be implemented by using the function. What is the function name here? The method name is sum digits. We can implement the methods. So that's why your code can be write by based upon the function, that is sum digit function, or it is a sum digit method. So we can finally return the sum. So here we can write the code, finally we can get the output. So here the program is already written here in the main code. You can implement one more method or one more function, that is sum digit function can be implemented here. So how can you implement? Let us see. So you can write the implementation of the sum digit function. So it is taken as in a long data type, so that's why the return type is also taken as in a long. So here the code, you can define the function. Public is my access modifier, and the static and integer data type, and static is a keyword, and integer return type. And what is my function name? Here the sum digit is my function name. You can pass the n value through the function. Sum is initially taken as 0. Now while n not equal to 0, sum is equal to sum plus, what is that? This is n percentage 10 means it is a remainder. So sum equal to sum plus a remainder. 0 plus any number remainder can be taken. So the next value can be taken as an input. So like that the loop is repeated. Suppose if you want to consider, let us take an example here. So suppose you can take 1, 2, 3 is the input. 1, 2, 3 is the input here. So suppose here according to that sum is initially 0. Sum is equals to, initially it is 0. Now while suppose number is 123 is not equals to 0. So the first iteration can be executed here. So that is the first iteration can be executed. First one is sum is equals to sum plus, what is that? 123 percentage 10. So what is the meaning of 123 percentage? That is the remainder. So try to remember that sum is equal to sum plus 123 percentage 10 means sum is initially 0. So here the remainder is 3 can be put here. The sum is, now you can take the sum, is 3. Sum is 3. Now n is equal to n by 10 means it is a coefficient. What is the value of the coefficient can be taken? It is a 12. So now 12 is the input name. So now 12. So now the first iteration sum is equals to 3 and the next one is n is equals to 12. Again the loop is repeated here. So now again while the second iteration, while 12 not equals to n value is 12, 12 not equals to 0, so it is true. Now go to the loop. Now sum is equals to, sum value is already there, sum plus what is the 12 percentage, what is the 12 percentage 10, what is that remainder can be taken as 2. Now the sum value is 3 plus 2 is 5. Now what is the next one? The input is 12 by n is equals to 12 by 10. It is a coefficient. The value can be taken as here. So 12 by 10, what is the value? 1 is a input. Now this is the, now sum value is 5 and n value is 1. Again the third time the loop is repeated here. While 1 not equals to 0, it is true. Again go to this one, s is equals to, already s value sum is equal to sum plus percentage, other n percentage 10 means what is that? 5 plus, now 1 percentage 10, what is that? 1 percentage 10. So the remainder is 1, so remainder is 1, that is 5 plus 1. Now s value is 6. Now what is the next one? N is equal to 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means is a coefficient is 0 now. Now the final iteration is while, so 0 not equals to 0, 0 not equals to 0, so you can exit from the loop. Now what is the sum value is 6. So your input is 1, 2, 3. The sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. So like that this logic can be implemented here. So finally we can submit this program. Let us check whether there is any errors. Compile and run. Yes, all test cases are passed here. So then we can click on submit. Yes, your answer is successfully submitted.